SPX and SPY ready to go boom, guys. Check this out. I've been tracking this for you free, courtesy from the bull ring. Look at all the support that SPX is building. It has been going like a nice rocket. So on the way up, guys, I've been tracking every stop SPX had. That was one. You had another one there. That was one. Another one. So on the way up, we're seeing lots of support, and now things are changing. Now SPX, and this is the 15-minute chart, okay? SPX is starting to pull back, okay? Don't get happy, bears. Don't get happy, because this original support is starting to look like a major support area. Now, I know tomorrow we have big time news. At least that's what they tell me. Everybody thinks that every news nowadays is big time. But guys, that doesn't change where SPX is going to go. Okay, remember, news is just a detour. We're going to see a nice run up, in my opinion. Look at this area right in here. Okay, they're consolidating. They came back up. This box used to be down here, right where those wicks are at. Check it out. Okay, this is the kind of stuff you need to be looking at, guys. I'm going to leave you a description with a link below so you guys can go check out my courses. I'm going to put them on sale for you. Okay, because this is the time you want to start getting the stock market, guys. Things are going to boom. They're not going to stop. Okay, it doesn't matter what the Fed says. They're going to break the market, so they're going to run it up until they can. So we can literally see 5,500 coming with SPX. So check out these two wicks. That tells me resistance. We went down. Then we came back up into the box. And look what we started doing. And we ended outside of the box on the 15-minute. So that tells me these guys are not done. All right, so just take a look, guys, on the 1 hour. What do you see? Do you see what I see? Okay, you need to understand charts. You need to understand flags, guys. What does this flag mean? Okay, this means that we are going to start running up. They compress this, they consolidate it, and now it's going to go boom. Okay, what is the first measured move? This is what you learn in my courses, guys, how to figure out where this is going. And this is the first target again for SPX, which will be, and I'm going to show you how to do this, let's say 53.61, 53.62, where it came from, guys. Okay, we're going to put our little badge up there. Okay, that's the first target, and you saw where we got this from. Okay, this is how you measure it out. Okay, anytime you have a flag, you're going to have two targets, guys. Next target will be this one, and typically on the flag you get these bad boys, and they do take off. Okay, and this one here, I did say 5,500, so this is the first level on the way up there. Okay, the major level. Okay, 54.10, guys. Okay, so SPX, I'm gonna leave you at the end of this video so you can see when I said that some of these stocks are going to targets like NVIDIA. I called that out, 1250. Hopefully you guys jumped in. I jumped in. We're going to take a look at that as well. But this is what SPX is telling me right now. Now, can it go down? Absolutely it can go down. But do you really think they're going to let it come all the way down to 5,300 again? I don't think so. Well, how about down here? There is too much hype going on. There's too much money out there. Banks need to make money. And that's what I think, that banks are investing big time. They're trading bigger than before, but who knows, right? But if we go off of technical analysis, okay, this is the move that is next. This is the next move. Okay, I've already bought my calls in SPX, guys. If you're going to follow, make sure you buy time. Don't buy more than you can lose. Risk management is important. Let's take a look at the always impressive NVIDIA. Okay, So NVIDIA did go down, very healthy pullback, guys. Okay, did retract $70. If you think $70 is a lot for a $1,200 stock, you're playing the wrong stock. Okay, so now NVIDIA did come down, came back up, back down, did find support. Okay, if you take my courses, what does this mean here? Whoever's got them, please put it in the comments. What are these two touches here? What does that mean? That's right. We're going to boom pretty soon, okay? But what are these called, guys? If you know it, put it in the comments below. All right, so now we went into what I like to call a upside down triangle. This is my own little personal deal that I do. We did find more resistance on the way up here. We touched it again. But at the same time, we were building support on the way up, and we finally broke out at the end before the market closed. And now in the aftermarket, we are kind of slowly coming down. But you know what? If you know stocks, this doesn't mean ish. Okay, so don't worry about that. Let me give you a big picture on NVIDIA. All right, so we are on the 1 hour with NVIDIA. And if you understand Fibonacci, folks, Fibonacci says what? You will always, when you hit the top, you're going to retrace down 50%. What does that number there say? 50. These two lines are the golden zone, guys. So anytime that you have a stock and you want to see how far back down it's going to go, this is a great guide. Okay, learn Fibonacci. Join my courses, guys. I'll give you a big discount. Hit me up in the comments below for the discount you think you want and deserve, and we can make a deal. All right, I want you to learn this. A lot of money to be made here, guys. So now we came down to 50%. Bam, 50%. That's healthy. This is why I call it healthy, because now where do you think this is going to go? Well, let's check it out, because Fibonacci also says another thing. Okay, from the top to the bottom. Okay, now we see we are going to go to the 1228 area. I wouldn't be surprised that we end up there in the morning, and then they start climbing up. Why would they climb up again? Very easy, guys. The reason that stocks come back down, guys, is because Fibonacci knew, okay, this right here, you see this run up, look at nothing but green candles, guys. The majority is green candles. So they will come back down and meet this area when they have a big gap. And guess what this means? Okay, this is why you guys need courses. I'm telling you, it gets really super beautiful when you're making money. You understand this stuff. Okay, I didn't at first, and then I started to. The reason this becomes a gap is because there was a lot of orders that were missed. So if you had an order in here for $1,190, $1,200, you wanted to buy the share, potentially they missed you. Okay, and then after that, some people start taking sales. I'm sorry, they start taking some profits here. Okay, and of course you get the shorts that see this long wick and they start shorting it down. They take advantage. Okay, all these orders that were missed were filled right here. Look at that. Boom, they came all the way back up. This fills that gap, and then they continue to go up. Okay, they're building a lot of support in this area. So on the way up to 1,300, 1,400, 1,500. If you don't believe this company is going to do that, you have not looked at their financials. What is their financials, you ask? Well, I'm glad you asked that question. Let's check it out. All right, 2017, what did they do, guys? $9.71 billion. What did they do in 2018? 11.72. 2019, they took a small dip, but still made a chunk of change. Check it out, 11 billion. Then all of a sudden, 16.6 billion. Then 26.91 billion. 26.97 billion in 2022, guys. And last year they did 60.92 billion. Guys, that is almost 3 times, okay? as much as 2022. Look at that. They just keep growing and growing. All you have to do is look at this, okay? And the demand on chips is just getting insane all over the world because AI is here. NVIDIA is leading that. So if you think that it's too late to jump in, well, let me tell you something. Let's just check out how much money these guys have, okay? Right now, on hand, cash. If they wanted to go buy whatever they want to buy, look at that, 28.09. Guys, that is a lot of money. From 2017, where they had 3.5 billion, okay, now they have 28.09 billion dollars. Now, if you want to see the easy picture, you can come over to TradingView, guys. Okay, they do have a section. Whoops, they have a section here called Financial Health. Okay, and right in here is where you can see, okay, the free cash flow. Check that out. Okay, that is the green bar, and look at that. Okay, what does that say there? 28 billion, just what I told you guys right now. So if you just want to look at it as a graph, hey, they have that available, guys. You don't have to be making bad decisions on your own. This is why you need courses, guys, and you need TradingView. TradingView is great at this stuff. Now, don't forget, NVIDIA has a stock split tomorrow, guys. So if the price right now is at 1200, okay, 1200 area, they're going to split it 10-1. So that means that if you buy one share right now at 1200, you're going to get 10 shares at about $120. Now, if you wait till Monday, you will be able to buy them at 120. If you do option contract, it's going to be way cheaper. So it should be fun to make some money with these guys, okay? Now I want to cover a couple more stocks, guys, to help you out, and that way you know what is coming. Okay, DocuSign had earnings today. It popped up a little bit, and then all of a sudden it got slammed down. I guess people didn't like what they reported. As usual, it doesn't matter. They report good numbers. People are going to dump the stock based off of guidance. They didn't like what they heard. Now it's trying to recover. It is down about $3.50, which equals 6.3%. That's a big drop for this stock, okay? This stock is out there buying companies that have AI that they've already created to help them out. So who knows, maybe in the morning people will start buying this dip, okay? But DocuSign did not do well today. All right, last but not least is Apple, guys. And the reason I want to cover Apple, because there's something major going on with Apple, okay? Let's take a look at the daily, guys. And I've been tracking Apple for a while because it does move SPX and SPY, okay? It's still having a lot of impact on it. All right, so now you've seen Apple had a gigantic dip down, and it went down. Let's measure that baby, okay? We went down $34, okay? And then Apple rallied back and did 31, almost $32, okay? Now I've marked off a couple of major resistance areas here, guys, okay? This is something that you should take note on, because this could be a gigantic double what? Double what? Leave it in the comments below. Apple might have a double what? Now, I do want you to take a look at something, okay? They do have an event on June 10th, okay? June 10th. And the prediction right now is that Apple is going to make it to about 210, guys. They're going to hit that area. So you're talking a $15 jump, okay? Apple might go up $15 after that event. They're going to announce some cool stuff with AI. The CEO is pumped. He says you can't wait. You're going to see who Apple really is and all that good stuff. So if you love Apple, guys, this might happen. So I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you what's going to happen. I've already loaded up in a few calls that expire 30 days from now, guys. So I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you what I did, okay? It doesn't hurt to try, okay? It doesn't hurt to look at company news and see what's going on. What news you say? Well, I'm glad you asked, guys. Okay, I want to point this out. Okay, and this is what I teach in my courses, guys. You need to do a little homework on your stocks. So they have an event on Monday they're going to attend, and now you have Weed Bush and a few others that are saying, hey, they're rating these guys to outperform with a 275 price target. Okay, understand, guys, you were told today is Thursday, June 6th. This is happening. People are talking about Apple. It's going to be big. Why is it going to be big? Apple has money. They invest a lot in their future. They don't just say, hey, we're just going to keep making iPhones, guys. Okay. So the AI technology being introduced into Apple ecosystem will bring ample monetization opportunities on both service as well as iPhone hardware front, and adds $30 to $40 per share to Cupertino growth story. Okay. Now Weed Bush, Dan Ives, if you watch him, he's a cool dude. Okay. 275. All right. Now if that doesn't excite you guys, okay, then I don't know what will. Maybe you should not be trading, but if it does excite you, you are in the right industry because this is happening. Apple will do it. All right, so here you guys go. I'm leaving you this link, guys. If you want to learn how to do this the right way so you're not bag holding, okay, I've got beginner courses, okay, I've got advanced courses. I've got a daily stock watch list, guys, that I tell you the stocks that are going up. I have a video that shows you how to manage this so that you know how to enter and exit on all new stocks. Now, what I'm going to recommend, guys, is that you get, okay, you get the Bull Ring bundle deal, okay? $497. I have a crazy deal for you right now. Let's see if you take it, okay? It also includes the ultimate indicator that tells you, okay, and you can trade live with me, or I can do a one-on-one with you for free, okay, and show you how to use this bad boy. You're also going to get my book on how to hit a goal, because eventually you want to make money. You got to learn the disciplines and the daily routines. That's covered in the book, guys. Okay. The book is $9.99. Okay. You get it free with the bundle deal. If you don't want that, if you're an advanced trader and you just want the indicator, go ahead and get that. Now, if you get the bundle deal, okay, if you're interested in the bundle deal right here, guys, okay, $497, get a friend to join with you and I will do a 2-for-1. Okay, you have to hit me up in the comments and I will send you a special code, 2-for-1. You can't beat this. You can't beat this. Get a friend and you get it 2-for-1. All right. That is the special of the night. Don't forget, only tonight, guys. Bring a friend. You guys get this 2-for-1. Okay. Until the next video, I'm wishing you guys a green day tomorrow.